The Porsche 911 Turbo S has always represented the perfect balance between everyday usability and supercar performance. But for 2027, Porsche seems ready to push this icon even further. In today's video, we'll take a complete tour of the all-new 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S, from its aggressive front end and sculpted side profile to its stunning rear end, luxurious interior, and the powerful engine hidden beneath the bodywork. Let's get started. The redesigned front fascia is sharper and more aerodynamic than ever. Sleek matrix LED headlights feature Porsche's latest 4-point daytime running lights, giving the car an unmistakable identity both day and night. The front grille is wider, with large air intakes that channel cooling air to the intercooler and brakes while improving aerodynamic efficiency. A lower front splitter increases downforce, helping keep the Turbo S stable at high speeds. While the design remains unmistakably a 911, every surface has been refined to enhance both performance and visual appeal. From the side, the Turbo S showcases the timeless 911 silhouette, now with even more muscular proportions. Wide rear fenders emphasize the car's exceptional traction, while sculpted side air intakes channel cool air directly to the twin-turbocharged engine. Large forged alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, shod with ultra-high-performance tires. Large carbon ceramic brakes with distinctive yellow calipers deliver exceptional stopping power. Flush door handles, sculpted side skirts, and carefully optimized airflow all contribute to a cleaner, more modern look while reducing drag. The rear of the 2027 Turbo S is arguably its most dramatic angle. Full-width LED headlights stretch across the rear, emphasizing the car's wide stance. The illuminated Porsche lettering sits proudly in the center, creating a premium and unmistakable signature. Below, an aggressive rear diffuser works in conjunction with an active rear spoiler to generate additional downforce at high speeds. The distinctive quad exhaust tailpipes remind everyone that this is still one of the world's fastest gasoline-powered sports cars. Every detail in the rear serves both style and function. Inside, Porsche combines luxury with racing-inspired technology. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trim, and impeccable craftsmanship throughout. A fully curved digital instrument panel provides essential driving information, while a large, high-resolution touchscreen controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The multifunction sports steering wheel includes drive mode controls, allowing the driver to instantly switch between normal, sport, Sport Plus, and individual modes. The supportive sports seats provide exceptional comfort on long journeys while securely holding passengers during spirited driving. Despite its supercar performance, the 911 Turbo S remains practical and comfortable enough for everyday use. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the Turbo S legendary. Expected power. Power comes from Porsche's iconic 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, mated to an advanced 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive. Power output is estimated to exceed 650 horsepower, with some reports suggesting closer to 700 horsepower thanks to updated turbochargers and improved engine management. This allows the new Turbo S to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds while reaching a top speed approaching 205 miles per hour. Porsche active suspension management, torque vectoring, and active aerodynamics all work together to deliver incredible confidence on both the road and the racetrack. The 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S proves that evolution can be as exciting as revolution. With sharper styling, a more luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, and stunning performance, the latest Turbo S continues to set the standard for everyday supercars. If Porsche delivers everything enthusiasts expect, this could be one of the best 911 turbo models ever made. So, what do you think of the new 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S? Is this your dream sports car? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Autocars News, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.